A cat and a fox were close friends. One day, they started arguing about which of them was smarter. The fox proudly said, "I know many tricks. I can jump, dance, and stand on 2 legs. I can even balance on 1 leg." The cat, however, humbly replied, "I only know 1 trick, how to climb a tree." As they continued their debate, they suddenly heard hunters approaching with their dogs. Without hesitation, the cat quickly climbed up a tree to safety. Meanwhile, the fox tried all its tricks, but couldn't escape. Sadly, none of the fox's clever tricks worked, and it was caught by the hunters.